Okay, broskies, we all good? So we've got an unboxing today and I'm excited because this could potentially make my top 10 Air Max of the year. Not too sure yet about top 10 sneakers of the year. We'll have to wait and see, but we are gonna do an unboxing. Full review will be out in a couple more days. And then, who's that now? Hold on, broskies. Let me take you with me. All right, what we got? Shout out to my Air Max 1 Huffs by the door and my Asunas. Oh yes. Ooh, looks like a delivery. Shout out Mandalorian. Mando. Okay, what we got here? ASOS in the building. Right, bit unexpected, but at least you got 2 for 1. One, I think, isn't hype, isn't a sort of new release. However, for me, it's an essential in anyone's collection. And I don't think I've actually reviewed this one. I reviewed a similar color, but yeah, you'll get to see. Anyways, broskies, let's, I guess, dive into the one that's a bit less hype. Right, let's get this one opened. Oh yes, bada bing, baby, bada bing. Let's have a look. Black Air Max 90 leather, or LTR, that sort of abbreviates this iteration of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, but there's an ice cream truck that plays the match of the day theme tune. Let's just say I absolutely hate Gary Lineker at this point because he always seems to come around when I'm recording. Anyway, we've got the Air Max 90 leather. Yeah, these are very nice. I think these may be top 5 best black Air Max you can get. I'd rank these sort of 4th or 5th. I think the 95s are a better option, Air Max Plus as well. But let's not forget there's a few iterations to all Air Max as well, even in all black. So this one is very surprising in terms of premium materials, the way it looks. Yes, that toe box doesn't look like it will hold up the best, but you'll have to wait until the full review for me to give you that verdict. Now, I have had the black pair with the mesh and the suede panels before, like a couple years ago, but I think this one might be more popular just because it holds up better. And in some instances, it does actually look better. So I think these needed to be on the channel, and yeah, here they are. So let me put that aside. Next up, before the ice cream van starts off again. Ooh, okay. It's opening this way, baby. That is just so pointless. Imagine having that flap, but they still glue this down. Shout out Foot Locker though, because I ordered these yesterday and they came today, which is nuts. No special box. No special box. Right, another one. Normal red Nike box. Oh, nice. Let me not say too much just yet. Oh, wow. Wow, these are good. These are very good. It is the Air Max Plus Napoli pair, and the official colorway is light photo blue and black and white. Very special, very special. It's kind of like a digital sort of print on the top with the light blue, obviously resembling Napoli, the football team, the City 2, Maradona, Scott McTominay, you know, legend. I'm joking, but yeah, some absolute legends that have come from there. And shout out to Victor Osimhen, because he's come to my football team now, Galatasaray. Little hit there, which I don't know, it's a bit weird. It kind of looks like the Roma colors, which I don't know if there's a correlation there, but yeah, I'll take it. That's sort of Galatasaray colors as well, so I'll take that. But it's nice, very nice in hand. QC looks very good. No glue stains, no like overuse of glue. Oh, wow. Broskies, I pray you can see that, because that's, I don't know if the lighting's gonna help. It's gold. It's not yellow. It's gold, white and red. I can't wait to review these, honestly. But yeah, the little hits of Naples on here, Napoli. You can see that, Napoli, Iper Muor. I don't know, on that side. So many details. Oh, wow. Napoli in there as well. Can you see that? That looks amazing. Now, that's kind of a nod to the old Kappa, the Kappa kits from Napoli, I believe, just judging by the font. I don't know if you guys can see the resemblance there. Really nice, very well executed. Let's see the other pair. The only thing, which is a shame, is, yeah, they're identical. There's no like left to right differences. The only thing that's a shame, there's no special box or like limited edition vibe to it, no specials or extras. It would have been cool, you know. Now I know it's not an official collaboration. Got the red lace tips there. Very cool, very cool. For the Italians and the Naples locals, Napoleons, maybe? I don't know. I'm actually watching The Sopranos right now, so yes, I had to get these in hand straight away. Didn't expect to like these as much as I did in hand. I knew the mock-ups looked good, knew the shoe looked good, very different to what we've got at the moment. I know a lot of people like the Racer Blues, the Hyper Blues, they're coming out soon too, but these look good. There's a bit of plastic here, the translucent plastic, if you can see on the overlays. I'm glad they didn't put like black on there. That kind of would have ruined it. White outline to the Nike swoosh, the subtle gradient there to the shank. Oh man, these are special. The little nods, the little Easter eggs, the accents too. Come on, look at that. Nike in the Nike Air in the insole. Napoli, that's really got me going. That I'm liking the change up in the TN logo. The Vie Napoli, I'm not Italian, so forgive me. E per moi, I'm gonna try my hardest to see what all these little Easter eggs have a nod to, what they mean. Obviously translate the stuff as well. Bit surprised about the tongue though. From what I know, these are Roma colors, no? I'm not sure how that correlates, but still looks good. Still looks very good. Absolute fire pair, and possibly for me might make my top 10 Air Max of the year so far. So yeah, broskies, I was obviously more excited about showing you these because they've just come out. Might be a little while before anywhere else gets them. As far as I know, Foot Locker, only Foot Locker have got them in the UK that I've seen. I will leave some links down below as well to purchase if I can. Full reviews will be coming to both of these shoes. Just a little unboxing to show you guys what I'm working with at the moment, what's coming up on the channel. I know I keep saying it, but the Samba review, I promise, pinky promise, bruh. The Samba review is going to be recorded either tomorrow or Sunday. Yeah, Saturday or Sunday. So hopefully that will be out. But these, yeah, these look special. Napoli Air Max Plus TNs. Not gonna lie, I'm very tempted to take these out right now, but we have to review them first. Obviously get some on-foot shots and show you around the shoe properly first. Anyways, broskies, let me know what you think down below about the TN Napolis, Air Max 90 levers. Which ones are you leaning more towards? Come on, there's only one winner. But for the winter, you know, the 90 levers might be a big shout. Anyways, broskies, gonna love you and leave you there. Got to do some shopping now. Ah, Costco. What a life, eh? Anyways, broskies, until the next episode, take care.